Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download iTunes using apple.com. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.apple.com/iTunes and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on this page from where you can easily get iTunes for your Windows, your Mac OS by clicking on these links over here. From this page, you can go ahead and download iTunes for Windows. Simply click on this Get It from Microsoft button in order to do so and click on the Get button right next to iTunes. Now, click the Get button in the pop-up to download and install iTunes. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet in order to download faster. Once the application has been downloaded, click on Open to launch Open iTunes. How to create an apple.com account. Open up your web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.apple.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page, scroll all the way down and under Account, click on Manage your Apple ID. From the main home page, click on Create your Apple ID button at the top right and enter your first name in the first text box and then type in your last name. Select your country or your region from the drop-down and then provide your birthday information. Enter the new Apple ID you'd like to use for your Apple account. And once you enter your Apple ID you'd like to use, on the next field, create a password for yourself. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long or more. Use uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number in your password. Now, retype in the password on the next field in order to confirm and select your country code from the drop-down. Enter a valid phone number that you can always have access to. Under Verify With, select if you'd like to receive a verification through text message or phone call. And then, once you are done making your selection, if you'd like to receive Apple emails, communications, including announcements, etc., make sure to check this Announcements button. If you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked. Similarly, if you want to receive Apple emails and communications, including new releases, exclusive content, and special offers and more, make sure to check this little box at the bottom as well. If not, leave it unchecked as well and then enter the character that has been displayed at the bottom. Finally, click the Continue button at the bottom in order to create a new account with apple.com. Now, on the next page, you'll need to verify your email address to create your new Apple account. Go ahead and open up your email inbox on a new tab. Open up the email received from Apple and copy your code. Enter the verification code in this text boxes and click Continue. Now, verify your phone number as well in order to finish up setting your Apple ID. Simply enter the code that you received via text message on your mobile device that you registered with and click Continue. And there you have successfully created a new account from the apple.com website. Once you've created your account, you can use it to access a variety of Apple services including the App Store, iTunes, and iCloud. How to sign in to apple.com account. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.apple.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this main home page. Scroll all the way down and under Account, click on Manage your Apple ID. This will take you to the main homepage for appleid.apple.com. Now click on the Sign In button at the top right hand corner. In the Sign In area, go ahead and type in your Apple ID in the text box. Your Apple ID is the same one that you created while signing up for a new account. And once you are done, if you'd like the system to remember your credential for you, check on Remember Me box beneath. If you are using a public or a shared device, leave it unchecked for your security. If you've forgotten your Apple ID, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Apple ID or Password link at the bottom and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credential. After you are done entering your Apple ID, click the arrow pointing towards the right-hand side of the screen, and then you'll be able to see the password text box appearing right beneath. Go ahead and enter the correct password in the password text box and finally click on the arrow one more time on the right-hand corner of the password box. You'll need to verify with the two-factor authentication code sent on your mobile device via SMS. Simply go ahead and type in the code that you received and you'll be able to sign into your apple.com account.
How to sign up for an Apple ID. Now start by clicking Open a web browser and in the search box type in Apple ID, create and search. Now click on the first link that you see that says Create your Apple ID and you'll end up to this page where you can register for a new Apple account. enter the first name in the first text field you see. Now, move on to the next text field and type in your last name. Select your country or your region from the drop-down Next, and then enter your birthday information on the Next. Now, go ahead and enter an Apple ID for you. This will be your new Apple ID. After you type in an Apple ID you want to use for your account, go to the next field and type in a password for your account. After you type in your password, you can move on to the next step. In order to create a password, make sure your password includes these criteria mentioned below. Once you do that, go ahead and enter the password one more time in order to confirm it. And then go ahead and select your country code and enter your phone number. While entering a phone number, make sure to enter a phone number which you always have an access to, and it will be used to verify your identity anytime you sign in with a new device or a web browser. You can choose for your verification from the options over here. If you want to receive a verification through a text message, then check this text message circle. If you want to receive phone calls, then check on this phone call option. If you don't want to receive announcements, recommendations, and updates about Apple products, make sure to uncheck this box. If you do, leave it as it is. Same goes for the next one as well. If you don't want to receive new releases about the special offers and recommendations, then you can uncheck this box and move on to the next field where you'll need to enter a character that has been given in this box right here. Type down the character that you received and finally click on Continue. You'll need to verify your email address in order to create a new Apple ID. Go ahead and check your email. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to create an Apple account for yourself.
How to change your Apple ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in appleid.apple.com and press enter. This will then take you into the account settings page for your Apple ID. Now from this page, in order to change your Apple ID, simply click on your Apple ID. You will then find your option to change your Apple ID to a new email address. You will simply need to type in the new email address that you want to change your Apple ID into. After typing it in, simply click on Change Apple ID and then you will be asked to enter your password to confirm this change. Simply type in your password and click on the Continue button. And now you will need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your new email address. Simply check the inbox of your newly set email address and you will find your login code. Just type in this code in the verification section and then click on the Continue button. And now you will see a notification which tells you that your Apple ID has been changed successfully. You can now click on the Close button and now you will see that your Apple ID has been changed. How to change your password on your Apple ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser and then in the address bar type in apple.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Apple website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then you can click on the sign in button from the drop down menu. Now just go ahead and log in using your email address and your password. And you might also need to verify through two-factor authentication. After entering your authentication code, you will be logged into your account. Now in order to change your password, simply click on your account icon at the top right corner and now click on Account. You might be asked to enter your password and log in once again before you are granted access to edit your account settings. So type in your password and log in and then scroll down and tap on Manage Apple ID. Just go ahead and sign in to Apple ID once again and then you will end up within the sign in and security page. Now from this page, just tap on Password and then you will be allowed to change your password. Simply type in your current password first and then enter your desired new password in the new password box. You will finally need to confirm your new password by typing it once again and then after you confirm your password will be changed.
How to check serial number on apple.com. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser and then in the URL box type in checkcoverage.apple.com. Perform your search. In order to end up on this page, now you'll need to enter your device's serial number that you'd like to check. If you're using iPhone, simply go ahead and open up settings from your iPhone And then, from the settings menu, tap on General. Tap the About button from the General tab, and you'll be able to see your serial number in the 5th row. Go ahead and copy the serial number and paste it into the My Support page. Now, type in the character that has been shown right here on the display and tap Submit. The Apple product serial number is a unique identifier assigned to each Apple product. It is used to identify the products and check its warranty status, among other things.
How to log into your Apple ID without phone number. Now let's begin. The first thing to do is go and click open a web browser. Once you do that, in the search box, type in appleid.apple.com and press the enter. From the home screen of Apple ID, in order to log in, go and enter the Apple ID in the text field that you see. Make sure to enter a valid Apple ID and then click on the next button. In case you've forgotten your Apple ID, then go and click on this Forgot Apple ID or Password link at the bottom and follow the instructions. If you want the system to remember you, then check this box that says Remember Me, but if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box and click on the next button after entering the credential. As soon as you do that, a password text field will appear. Go ahead and enter the password for your account. And you can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon, and once you're sure you've typed in the correct one, click on the next button. And with this, you'll be able to log into your Apple ID account without phone number.
How to reset your forgotten password on your Apple ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in appleid.apple.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Apple ID website. Now to sign into your account, simply click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now if you have forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password button and you will be asked to verify your identity by entering your email address or your phone number. So simply type in either one of those and then type in the captcha code that you see on the screen. Then click on the Continue button and now you will be asked to enter the other account information that is associated with your account. If you entered your phone number earlier, then you might be asked to enter your email address, and if you entered your email address, you will be asked to enter your phone number. So simply type in either one of those and click on the Continue button and then click on the Send Code button to get the verification code that you can use to reset your password. After you receive the code, simply enter it in the verification box and click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter a code that is sent to your email address as well. Click on the Send Code button once again and then just go ahead and check your inbox. Within your inbox, you will find the verification code sent from Apple. So just enter this code within the verification box once again and click on Continue. Finally, you will be allowed to create your new password. So just go ahead and type in your new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then finally click on Continue and now you will see a notification which tells you that your password has been reset. And now you can use your newly set password to sign in to your Apple ID. How to redeem your Apple gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in apple.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Apple website. Now before you look for redeeming your gift card, just click on the account icon at the top right corner, and if you see a sign in button, that means you haven't logged into your Apple ID yet. So click on this button and log in using your credentials. And now once you have been logged into your account, click on the search button at the top right corner. Now within the search box, just type in gift card and then click on Apple gift card from the suggested link. You will now be taken into the gift card shop page. Now from this page, you can either buy a gift card that you wish, or you can check your balance within your gift card. In order to redeem any gift card, click on the Redeem button. After you click on the Redeem button, you will be taken to the Redeem page. Within this page, you will be able to type in your redeem code for your gift card. So after typing in your redeem code, simply click on the Redeem button and continue forth, and your gift card will be redeemed into your Apple account.
The things you can do if you have forgotten your Apple password. First off, open up your browser and go to iCloud.com and click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. Now let's say I've forgotten the password for this account. enter the account ID and click on continue. Now I do need to reset my password, so just continue. So if you remember the answers to the security questions that you specified while creating your account, you can go ahead and choose to answer the security questions, or you can receive the resetting instructions on your mail. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Get an email and continue. Okay, the password reset email has been sent. Check out your inbox and go ahead and read the mail, and you can click on reset now. Okay, you'll be prompted to enter new password. Just go ahead and do that. Retype it below, and when you're done, just click on reset password. Okay, your password has been changed. Now you can choose to go to your account.
How to log out from your Apple ID account in case you haven't signed out from your browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser where you have been logged in with your Apple account, and then in the address bar simply type in appleid.apple.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Apple ID account settings page. If you have been logged into your account already, then you will find the sign out button at the very top section. Simply click on this button and now you will be signed out from your account on Apple. If you wish to sign in, you will simply need to click on the sign in button and you will need to enter your credentials and you can log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign out from your account on apple.com. How to delete your Apple ID account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in appleid.apple.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the account settings page for your Apple ID. If you haven't been logged into your account already, you might be asked to log in using your email address and your password. Once you end up within this page, simply click on the privacy option at the left side. Now from this page, scroll down and then alongside your data, click on Manage Your Data. This will then take you into the data and privacy page for your Apple ID. You will be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. So type it in and continue logging into your account by completing a verification as well. After you complete the verification, you will be taken into the data and privacy page. From this page, scroll down and you will be able to find the Delete Your Account button. If you wish to delete your account permanently, then click on the Request to Delete Your Account button. But if you only wish to deactivate it temporarily, then click on Request to Deactivate Your Account. If deleting your account is what you certainly wish to do, then click on Request to Delete Your Account. You will then be shown a message which tells you what happens if you go forward with this process. You will also be asked to select your reason. So make sure you read this page carefully and then select any of the reason that is appropriate for you. After selecting your reason, click on the Continue button and you might be asked to verify your identity once again by entering your password and authentication code. After you verify your identity, your Apple account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your Apple account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.